sanding block made and hand sanding some of these trays and the tops and everything. Getting ready to put the finish on. I'm going to spray it with lacquer here in a little while. Alright, here's the cleats on the top. Reinforcing strips. Here it is, all finished. Got 3 coats of lacquer. Got a leather homemade latch design. It's just a brass screw with a polished head. This comes over and closes on it. The tray is inside. Put the little stops in there to hold the tray up. I left the inside of it unfinished so that it still have that cedar smell. I had to cleat the top because the one piece lid was trying to warp on me. After I brought it inside, it bowed up. And anyway, I had to put the cleats on there. I didn't want it to crack and break across. So I glued and screwed those 3 different spots on each cleat. The tray and the inside of the box is still unfinished. 3 coats of lacquer on everything else. Got walnut plugs in the holes. This is screwed together with 3/4 inch material. Really solid.